Move it. Okay.
In order to vacuum, we'll need the vacuum head, the vacuum hose, and by the way, this head doesn't attach to the hose, but this hose has a forward and backwards to it, should we say. One of the cuffs at the end rotates. That cuff you want to put on the vacuum head. On the other end of our hose, you'll find that the cuff on the other end here does not move. What that means is that it's been caulked into place and will not cause a suction leak. This is going to be above water level, so if we were going to have a leak there, it would draw air in and possibly cause your pump to lose its prime. But basically that pushes on to the end of what we call the vacuum plate. This is a very important item. What that does in your skimmer is that vacuum plate sits on top of your basket. What this is going to do is going to trap any big debris, walnuts, acorns, kids' toys, and keep them from going down into the pipe. At no point in time should you take the basket out and put the vacuum hose right in that hole on the bottom. You're asking for a lot of trouble if you do that. It's gone as far as if somebody does get that line clogged, no luck with rotor-rooter, no luck blowing it out. We simply break up the concrete and dig a new pipe in. It's that crucial that you use this vacuum plate as well as your basket. One would like to think you could just plop this over the top right now. Problem being is all this piping here is full of air right now. What we've got to do, we usually wave this down here on the other end of our hose, which has our vacuum head hooked up. We hold it over the top of the return. Those are your jets in the corner till you see water coming out next to the skimmer there. And wait till it fills right up. Now you see we've got a nice clear stream of water running there. What we've done is we've bled the air out of our line. Next thing would be hook up your pole, the vacuum head. Make sure this is submerged before you hook up the vacuum plate. If you've got that out in the air, what's going to happen is it's going to draw air and it's going to cause the pump to lose prime. Now here, we just take our vacuum plate with the basket installed, position it over the top, and it sucks itself right down. Now before we started all this procedure, we had both main drain and skimmer open. That is a good way to start it. But now that we've got it hooked up and we've got the pump primed and everything again, because it is going to have a little bit of air in there and things are running good, what we'll do is we'll come over here and throttle that main drain down a little bit. What this is going to do is it's going to decrease our suction to the drain and increase our suction to the skimmer. Shutting this off all the way, you'll hear your pump begin to labor a little bit and draw some air here on top. It's actually cavitation. What you want to do is just open that drain a little bit from there until that pump quiets down a little bit, because what we've done is we've added 40 feet of vacuum hose to it, so it's quite a bit of restriction to put on there. So, as I say, we're going to go over here and basically we're going to throttle this drain off about halfway. That's going to increase our suction to the vacuum, which is going to increase the speed at which you can push it. And as I say, that's something you'll probably not have to do between June 1st and September 1st. When the kids are swimming, as I say, have them hook that brush up and just have them brush everything down to the main drain before they go swimming. It's a 4-minute job, and it's going to make your maintenance way less, and you won't have to be hooking up the vacuum and doing any vacuuming. This pump and filter system is way overrated for that pool, and just a simple brushing before they swim is generally enough to keep the entire pool clean. So that's how you vacuum.